So this here, still in templemut, bearing in mind that this is a very, very divine feminine. Mut is obviously, you know, the wife of Ra, and, you know, deeply connected to Sekhmet here, very, very soft and gentle. But like here we have a massive healing waters, like a purification pond, if you will. Now there is one over in Karnak that way, but that is for baptism. Now this is for healing. So this pool here was very much for the people, because remember, Sekhmet is the goddess of pestilence. She was the one that warded off, you know, disease and ailments and all of the things, because like she's not just a warrior goddess, she was a very, very powerful healing goddess. So the people would come, and they would come for all sorts of reasons for healing. So of course you can imagine what this temple looked like. It's so peaceful here. And then the healing waters here, the healing pools. And of course, as we know, the divine feminine temples can't be a temple without the divine feminine waters, right? So this is, yeah, it really takes you back in time being here, imagining what it looked like back then. But even now, it's actually pretty impressive. So yeah.